So this is the Hazzard Duke Pond Jumper 5000 here. I'm gonna explain to them the foam we have on here, the flotation device.
Yeah, we put that foam on, so.
Show them the foam. We got foam. Strapped in there.
Foam.
Okay, well if you're
there you go. Keep on pedaling. You only made it halfway.
I can't find them. I kind of lost them.
Keep on pedaling.
I found one.
Well, pedal. Come on, it's a water bike. You should be good to go.
It's floating. I can't.
Isn't that what it's supposed to do?
Yeah. I can't get on though. Yeah, wait, run it. Oh my God, guys.
Get some speed. You didn't get any further. Oh, you got a little farther. Keep on pedaling. Get to the other side and drive it back out.
It's floating, Dad.
It's supposed to. Oh boy. I may have not taped any of that. Just so you know.
We have an engine on this thing. That was a Yeep. Okay, you almost got decapitated by the clothesline. Alright, that was one. Aren't you supposed to like step upside down and do?
Okay.
We're recording, so this is your new front suspension system
Yes.
on your brand new bike that now is not brand new anymore.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's see what it's all about.
Let's see what piece of junk's about. Woo!
Oh, that suspension just does it.
Yes, Bennett!
Not gonna kill yourself this morning. All right, go ahead. Looks like a great idea.
I know, right? Hey, fans! Look it!
You can definitely tell the one with the front suspension is smoother on the landing. Stupid things, take two. Oh, you cleared the cement.
I'm surprised that I didn't fall off that time.
Uh-huh.
That went high.
It says it's got poop spray painted on it. Poop. Ooh, that was a hard landing there.
What?
You had a good landing. His, not so good.
I know.
All right, we'll start out here with the poop board. I think that's because you say, oh, poop, when you get to this point, right?
Yeah.
So this is what the whole summer is coming down to right here, is this one epic jump right here. This one epic jump. We don't know if we're going to do 3, 4, 5 flips. How many flips are you going to do?
Based off this ramp, probably 0.
All right, so 0. There's going to be upwards of 0 flips. All right, so we're going to end here. All right, you're going to sit down?
Mm-hmm.
We need you to sit down and not move.
Yeah, but I'm going to die, so.
Okay, so just sit down. All right, let's walk the path. Let's see how this is going to go, since this is the last time we're ever going to see
You
you.
have to pick.
All right, so it's just a little
boards.
just a little iffy right here. So we got to pick one of these 2 boards. Okay, that seems good. Okay. You stay there, don't move, because you move, he's going to die. All right, so we go this way. This one here, we're going to have to just do an air. This will be your first jump right here.
And then right here, I can go in the middle.
I think you just pooped a little right here. Just thinking about what's going to happen. I think you just pooped right there a little bit.
And then I have to drive right there.
All right, we're going to put this board here. So hopefully you don't fall in the crack.
Yeah, that'll be good.
That might have been loud for our millions and millions of customers here. All right, so now we're going to go
We're bringing back the Black Demon.
the Black Demon. Okay, we got it. Okay. So this is we've done some water riding with this previously. It's all been modified, heavily modified, customized. All right, so you're gonna go up there, right? You're going up there. Yeah, I thought we were doing a challenge for what's that guy?
FaZe Rug.
FaZe Rug. It's FaZe Rug challenge. If you can pull this off, I want to see FaZe Rug do the same thing. All right, so you're gonna be up there. I'm going down to the lakeside, okay? I'll give you the thumbs up when we're ready, okay? Uh-oh, it's using the brakes. That probably would have been cooler from the other side.
Hashtag everyone. Also, you gotta
Hashtag everyone.
smash the like button. Oh,
I'm probably gonna want to take that video from this side too. Is the water cold?
yes, it is cold.
Why don't you get your bike and do that again?
Yes. The water is cold. Face first.
Yeah, you didn't get the air you normally get with your suspension bike.
That hurts.
What? What
I
hurts?
took a little break.
For what?
Because I just smacked my face into the water.
Well, I wish I'd have been here for that one. All right. Well, take 2 in a minute.
Okay,
Sit on the
he
bench.
dies.
Sit down on the bench. Yes. If he dies, you can have his
not-
bike.
yeah.
Yes. If he dies, you can have his bike. See if this works out better this time.
Come on, sit down now. Don't move. You want to move these ramps. Thumbs up. This is the one. This is for all the berries.
I think that was another face plant, wasn't it?
Whoa! Take the bike. It hurts.
All right. Thumbs up.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Smash the like button.
Smash the like button.
Hold on, let me get
That's
your.
it for me, because I'm gonna have some brain damage.
Smash your face into the like button.
Yep.
Come on, you gotta tell us what to do.
The bike actually is going probably exactly.
bike, please.
I want to get out.
All right.
Home.
See you guys later.
Really gonna pop wheelies? We already got a broken axle from pop wheelies. Chester hoist?
Like your bike. You coming, Slowpoke?